Don't play with it, don't be the side.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing y'all these cute press-on nails that I just did. Y'all, I'm using foil for this. This is my first time using the Beetles foil glue, and it's actually so good. Y'all, so I got this foil, and I thought this one was too cute, so I wanted to use that one. Y'all, I put it on, and this glue worked so good, baby. I snatched it off and the whole thing was on there, and I literally did it actually like on accident the first time that I did it, and I didn't even know it was coming off, y'all. It came off so good. I was like, oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna use this. But anyways, y'all, I just kept going, and this design was completely a freestyle, so I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all. I did cap the foil design in with clear acrylic, and y'all, with press-ons, you don't want to make the acrylic too thick, because it'll just make the press-ons look bulky and it won't look like actual nails. Like, I love a good luxury press-on when it looks like the person just got their nails done, if they didn't tell you, but it's just a press-on. Like, y'all, these were so cute. I'm just gonna hush and let y'all see the rest. Bye.